Okay, this is a continuing attempt. Oh, wait, good morning. Good morning to you. It's a continuing attempt to change the video a little bit so I can see I can do something a little more editable later. I'm thinking maybe what I'm going to do is do less sitting down and stand when I do stuff. But today I'm going to go ahead and sit down and we'll see how it looks. So today let's talk about getting some of your prompts to work correctly when you're talking to the AI. Hmm. I got some coffee this morning to get me started. I hope you have something to get you going. So, one of the things that I've noticed with talking to the AI is you have to give it a second path, at least, to respond to your questions. Now, what I mean by that is, I'll give you an example. In fact, uh, I had some XSLT changes. XSLT is a uh, format where you have XML comes in and you change it up to match a new pattern. And it allows you to look at different nodes inside the XML and stuff like that. So the long story short, that's not the important part. The important point is I asked ChatGPT about how to do that. How do I, well, how do I change some stuff to improve my code? So ChatGPT gave me some suggestions, and they were okay. But then I asked Chat, I was like, look at those suggestions and look at the any possible. Uh, Sorry, excuse me. Pardon. Back up a little bit. I started by saying, now let's assume you're a software consultant. Look at that and see the flaws and benefits of each of the designs. So it did. And it came back with the flaws and the benefits and gave me a little bit of a scoring as to what it liked. I think I asked for scoring in it. Pretty sure I did. And it kind of ranked which ones would probably be successful. And then I said, now let's assume that you're like a master or a high level system programmer. Look at what the consultant said. And in a new, as I said, I can't remember exactly, but it's basically let's reimagine or rethink taking those and see if those original thoughts could be enhanced or improved on, and how they would be implemented if they're still valid. And I got some really good responses, and it changed things. It analyzed things. It saw some flaws, and it was not the same thing as the first go round. So that's one of the things that they, whoa, shit. Go get it. Sorry for the bad language. That is a slimy ball you got there. Anyway, so the oh right, she didn't catch it in midair that time. It got past her. He actually had to run for it. But one of the things that people have noticed that have been using it is the first response uh, typically is a good one. Typically. However, the AI goes down a path to get a response. And if it can get to the end of that path, it doesn't re-examine what it said in, or excuse me, not what it said, but what it was thinking originally if it successfully gets to the end. Unlike a lot of humans where we kind of think of not only the solution, we also think and rethink and think about it again. Oh, shoot. I uh, I threw poorly. I hit the grill when I threw. So you have um, that re-examination is a important step in getting the most out of talking with your chat. So always think about and don't just repeat the question. You have to break it up a little bit so that it creates data in a format that adds to its understanding of the issue. Then have it create some more data. Again, not exactly what you wanted with the other discussions. So change it up so that it has to break up how it's understanding the information. So that's all I had. That's I just thought I'd talk about a little bit about how prompts have to be redone. Now, that being said, sometimes the prompts are fine in the beginning, especially if you can look at the information and say whether or not that's valid. That's good. Um, some of these are fairly straightforward for data research, and then some of them take a little bit more thought. So it depends on what you're asking for. But if you're asking for something like that, especially something that you're going to spend some time using that data and seeing if you can improve it or work with it, I highly suggest you at least do one, maybe at least one more where it analyzes what it said. And just to give yourself a little more information, make sure everything is right. All right, that's all I had for right now. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.